No one can escape from stress in real life. No matter how healthy you are, it can affect you. It is your gut that stress targets first. It destroys microbiome, which in turn fails to produce essential nutrients, neurotransmitters, and hormones. It leads to increased anxiety, mood swings, and inability to sleep. When FlexBeam used daily over the stomach, it will help you to counteract negative impact from stress and maintain equilibrium. In this video, I would like to demonstrate how you can achieve this. Turn it on, choose the program, and then go. Position your FlexBeam over the stomach, 2 positions like a cross, and over the back of the neck. Choose preset 2. Leave FlexBeam on all 3 positions for the duration of the cycle. Total application time is 30 minutes daily with the weekends off, until you feel you are happy with the results. To help improving your sleep, apply FlexBeam over the neck, 2 positions, left and right, and over the low back. Choose preset 2 for the neck and preset 3 for the low back. Leave the FlexBeam on all 3 positions for the duration of the cycle. Total application time is 30 minutes daily with the weekends off, until you feel you're happy with the result.